I see two major roadblocks. The first one is the lack of awareness, leading to false statements. The belief that sustainability initiatives leads to increased costs, whereas in our sustainable product design reports, we saw that most organizations see either stable or decreased costs. And for the others, the costs are outweighed by increased benefits. We also observe the misunderstanding of consumers' choices. Only 36% of organizations believe consumers consider environmental impacts, whereas they are actually 80%. The second roadblock is the lack of proper instruments to assess carbon impacts. Whereas, as the saying goes, you can't manage what you can't measure. As we saw in our data for net zero reports, 45% of organizations still don't use emissions data for business decision making. Of course, there is a need to work on those two roadblocks. Raise awareness amongst all employees to embark them on the net zero journey. Provide the organization with proper tools to track their impacts throughout the value chain and make it a critical factor in decision making. And in the light of this data, redefine your processes, working with the whole ecosystem of the organization, business partners, providers, clients, etc. For me, the first step is to train leaders on climate challenges and solutions, so they consider the urgency of the situation and thus place sustainability as a short-term priority for the ExCom. The second step, which should derive from the first one, is to integrate sustainability within the business. And so it becomes sustainable by design. A frequent mistake is to make sustainability a separate transformation stream, instead of disseminating it across all the streams from procurement to IT.